So is this something you guys have seen yet? Starlink Internet? Let's go ahead and open this up. I haven't opened this up yet. Assume these are their directions. Seem pretty simple. Let's see what we got in the box. Plastic shipping. There it is. There's a dish, stand, cables. Lots of cable for the dish. Regulatory notices. Pretty simple. Get this hooked up and try it. Alright, so before I get this mounted, where we want to mount it, get this set up here to try to see if we can find out where it's going to automatically want to find the signal at. I'm assuming that's what it does. I got all this stuff sitting in a box just to keep it clean. I apologize, I missed it moving. This is where it adjusted itself to after plugging in. And there, the Starlink showed up. Click on Starlink, connecting. Sign into the network. Alright, so it's moved a couple times now, and I keep missing it, but the first time it moved and it was flat, it didn't have internet. Now I'm connected with internet. Alright, so we're connected. Everything is working. If you look on my screenshot recording, everything worked. There, it moved again. I think this is its final resting place. I'm sure it'll move with the satellites or whatever it needs to do. But the next thing we got to do is get this thing mounted on the roof. And that should be the next fun part. Yeah, where the heck are we gonna mount this thing? Alright, so Dishy is mounted up on the roof there. Right now it's just turned the way it was set before. The way I had to mount it, so it turned it to that side. It'll automatically adjust when I turn it back on. There we go. There's the speed test. You can see that we're on SpaceX Starlink. Let's try it. Notice the ping's 36 milliseconds. Not bad. 135 megabits per second. For uniformity, we'll test it again. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do other things like this that aren't motorcycle related, let me know. Either downvote it or upvote it. But again, guys, thanks for watching.